Hello,
can you tell me
hi.
about your? Yeah, hi.
So, how are you?
I'm good. Thank you for asking. What about you?
And we're so very great. Thanks for asking us. So, I think as we're meeting first time, so please introduce yourself first.
Okay. So myself, my name is Sunil. I'm from India, and basically I'm a student. I am 21 years old. That's all about me.
So, can I introduce myself?
Yeah. Okay. Definitely.
It will be very long, but I'll tell you just shortly. Um, this
Okay.
is Maliha Binti Masood. I stand in 7 standard, and there are 4 members in my family. They're my parents, me, and my brother, as you can see. And we're siblings as well as we're twins. And my parents both are educated person. My mother is a
Right.
teacher, and my father is a professor. And we're from Bangladesh. And do you know about Bangladesh?
Yeah, I know. Actually, I have a friends like Bangladesh.
Also,
Two friends I
you
have.
know that India is our neighbor country.
Yes. Yes. Actually, when I was using English speaking apps, so I have to connect with him and her. Two friends I have, Bangladeshi friends.
Okay. So, brother, could you please tell us that which state are you from?
I'm from Chhattisgarh in India.
Okay. Is it a state or city?
State. Chhattisgarh is a state.
Okay. Where is it? Actually, which beside which state?
North, like Odisha, like Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra. Do you know? There is.
Okay.
Also, brother, why have you learned this language?
Why am I learning English? Yeah, that is the reason I want to visit other country and just like other state, just like Tamil Nadu and my country, there is not speak Hindi. So how can we talk her and him? So that is why I'm learning English. And I already told you I'm a student, so that is why I'm learning English. Because everything is like social media platforms you can see English language, so it is also reason to I'm learning English.
So, from whom have you inspired that you have must have to learn English and speak in English so that you can also connecting other people?
Yeah, absolutely, yes.
Okay. So, if you have any question, you can ask us.
Yeah, I want to ask with you. So how many days are you learning English?
Yes, actually, to be honest, we have been learning English for only 6 months.
Okay, so what do
And
you
you?
think about English language is like which is important thing is in English language?
Yes, there are so many part in English, fast spoken English, English grammar, or English vocabulary, and so on.
Vocabulary.
But as I have started learning English from spoken English, but nowadays, we also have to learn actually English grammar. So nowadays, I'm learning it from my tutor, and sometimes I feel very boring to learn English vocabulary, but nowadays I'm
Okay,
also trying to learn English literature.
okay, that's good. So did you purchase any course in English language?
No, I don't like it.
Okay. Then what is your purpose to learn English?
Yes, actually, to be honest, as you know, we have a goal to go abroad. So they
Okay.
don't know our language, and we can use English to communicate with them. And my father motivated us to learn this language. He told us that the importance of learning English is increasing day by day. It's a global language, international language. English is used every sphere of our life in the world, all over the world. So to get a good job with a smart salary, it is must to learn this language. So you can say that is why we are learning this language.
Okay, that's good. That's good, brother. So what is your study level?
As I told you that we are study in class
Okay,
7.
7. Okay, that's good. That's good. So where do you want to go in other country, like foreign country and other country like South African? Where
Yes,
do
we
you
want
want to
to.
go?
Actually, we particularly we haven't decided it, but we can go USA, Canada, Australia, London.
But where do you want to go? Like most, like you loves, like many people's thoughts and dreams. Like I want to travel. This country is my favorite country, and I want to just like dreams. So if you want to chance go any other country, so where do you want to go?
Actually, to be honest, we want to go to abroad just for higher study. Okay, so I think
Okay,
Canada is best for me.
okay, for education purpose. Okay, and just like travel, which country do you want to go and why?
Travel. I can go Dubai.
Okay, Dubai. So what is the
So,
reason?
which country do you want to go, brother?
Just first of all, I want to travel my country, India, and second, I will go like Bangladesh also. Actually, I have friends. She's told me and uh, please come to my country, and my country is also good. So can you come? She's told me. So yeah, I promise her and him, I will come.
Yeah. If you opportunity to come here, please sure come. And our natural beauty is so beautiful.
Yeah, actually, I am my like I want to say. Actually, I'm a college student, so my graduation degree is completed. Do you know, like BA Bachelor of Arts in India?
Yes.
I've
Yeah.
heard.
So yeah. So I have completed my graduation degree.
Okay. So
Then
after that, what we are going to do?
yeah, I'm going to do Master of Degree MA in English language. I will study.
Okay, great job. Keep
Yeah.
doing. Okay. So, brother, could you please share with us that what's your goal? What do you want to become in future?
Whether actually friendly, I want to say actually my future goal is just I want to unique thing, and I enjoy to new things. It is my future plans like this. Just like English language is a different things. Like I am speaking Hindi, and just it is also unique thing. In my village, anyone is not speaking English language. So it is also goal. I want to become a good speaker in English language.
Okay.
To be honest,
So
yeah.
I'd like to know from you that when you're speaking at home or other place, so that time, what will you use? What language you will use?
Yeah, I was travel like speaking with other person. I'm speaking Hindi. There is not anyone to speak English. Just I'm trying to self my. I'm speaking myself.
Yes, we also that that we both can speak English very well. So we always try to speak in English all time each other, and our parents also can speak in English, but a little bit it, and we always try to speak in English with them. And nowadays, we are trying to connect new people so that we can improve our communication skills, like you.
Yeah, actually, I was using a YouTube channel, so just I seen your YouTube channel. So wow, that's good peoples, and I want to talk with him. So I mail send you.
Okay, that you
Actually,
have done well.
yeah, actually, I'm using Joe Stock. So I purchased this application. So whenever I feel free, I will call with a new person and connect with him.
Okay, so could you please tell us that do you have any YouTube channel?
Yeah, actually, I have YouTube channel Talk with Sonil.
Talk with.
Sonil.
Okay, Sunil.
So how many subscribers do you have recently?
Uh, yeah, I have subscriber 580. 580.
Okay, okay, great.
Yeah.
So, could you please tell us that what do you do every day to improve your spoken English, to actually improve your level of learning English? What do you do?
Just I want to watch cartoon and to learn new things. Actually, I love to watch cartoon, and just I'm talking about myself, and just I'm watching news like India Today news, BBC news. This type whenever I free and just I want to watch to new
Actually,
thing.
s- some days ago, I have also watched English cartoon to improve my speaking English. But at this time, I don't watch any cartoon.
Okay. And when I was free, just I'm calling like your country peoples. Like I have told you two friends I have. So just I feel too free and connect with him and her.
Okay.
They are very
So
good peoples.
okay. So are they boys or girls?
Yeah, they have boy and girls too. Have I have two friends. Like his she name is Nisi and second person is Roman Abduls.
Okay. So
Where they lives?
which district?
They lives like Dhaka.
Dhaka both.
Yes, I think.
Okay, so could you please, if you share with us about your family, it I think it will be very good. So could you please tell us that how many family members do you have in your family?
Okay, okay. Yeah, I have five family members in my family. My father is a farmer man, and my mother is a housewife. And I have younger brothers. He's working in restaurants. He's safe. And I have one sister, little sister. She completed 12th standard, and now she is not study. She is in home.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
great. So if you have any question, you can ask me.
Yeah, I have. So when did you open, and when did you think about we have to create YouTube channel?
Yes, actually, as I told you that we are learning, we have been learning this language
Okay,
for only 6 months. Okay, all right.
okay,
So
okay. Yeah.
in that time, when we didn't start our learning English journey, in that time, our father motivated us to learn this language, and he also told us to create a YouTube channel so that we can upload the video there. And before creating our YouTube channel, I have actually create Facebook page, and recently I'm uploading their video also. So actually, to be honest, my father motivated us.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, I appreciate you.
And when did you recognize that I have to learn this language? I should create a YouTube channel also. I have to make this type of I have to take session every day to improve my communication skills. When did you recognize it?
Me,
Yes.
actually, I'm a social worker, brother. Just I am joined UNICEF. Do you know UNICEF, like social
Yes,
mental health? Yes. Just whenever I free, I am going to school, like in society, and gives new things and new idea. Like just like a children helpline number, women helpline number. This type information I give on.
so who inspired you to learn this language?
What did you say? Can you repeat again? Something I cannot understand.
Definitely, I'll tell you that as I told you that who inspired you to learn this language that you have must have to learn also speak in English.
Yeah, okay. When I was watching YouTube, just I ad is came. So I think, wow, that is good. I want to also speak English. When I was like standard 12th standard and 10 standard, I didn't know about speaking English language. So I feel just watch on YouTube and the ad is came and just feel, oh, I want to also speak English. So that is why I'm learning. It is the reason.
So
Anyone
incredible.
is anyone, yes, yes, anyone is not told me you should learn English, and anyone is not tell me you should learn English. The one ad is came and I seen, and so I feel, oh, I also want to learn English. That is the reason.
Actually, to speak frankly, that our father just told us to learn this language. Actually, first I have watched lots of video on YouTube by myself. According to me,
Okay,
then I take my sister as a partner. So right now we are can speak English very well.
okay.
Okay, so who is she?
I think she's
She's
your
my mom. Yes, yes, she's
mother.
working something. She's working.
Okay, so could you please tell me what's the time on your phone?
Yeah, time is like a different time. So like your country is 30 minutes ahead, and my
Yes,
country is 30 minute is like down.
I know, but please tell me.
Yeah, time is 4 hours 40 minutes. 4 hour
Okay,
40 minutes.
here 5:11.
Yes, yes. I know. I know. Actually, I have already told you. I have two friends in your country. They are also talking to me in English language. We are talking us like 1 hours, 2 hours every day, just whenever we are free.
Okay, on this application or other application.
Like in WhatsApp.
Okay, in WhatsApp. So if you
Okay.
have any more question, you can ask me.
Actually, brother, actually, I have to go now, and but just I will come back and I will talk with another section. Just like the section is full, I think, 20 minutes, 30 minutes.
Yes, we have been
So
talking for 20 minutes almost.
yeah, 20 minutes. Yes. So the stop the conversation, and we will be back again
Okay.
Okay,
like tomorrow. Yeah, nice to meet you. Have a nice day, and thank you so much
Have a
for
nice
talking to
day.
me. Yeah, thank you so much. Bye.
bye. Goodbye.
Yeah,
Have a good day.
thank you so much. Yeah, have a
Bye.
nice day.
See you later.